Welcome to the CFO Edge, the podcast where we break down finance, strategy, and business growth in a way that actually makes sense. I'm Carol, a fractional CFO helping startups and businesses get clarity on their numbers. Let's be real. Most business owners celebrate when they hit a big sales number. But let me ask you something. Is your business actually profitable? Because sales don't always mean success. Today we are diving into the biggest misconception in business. Why revenue is not the same as profit. And how to truly measure if your business is making money. Here is the problem. Too many business owners look at their top-line revenue and assume they're doing great. But the truth is, you can be making 6 figures in sales and still be bleeding cash. Let's break this down. Revenue is just the money coming in. It doesn't account for costs. Common trap is a business owner sees $100,000 in sales and thinks they are profitable. But their expenses could be $90,000, leaving them with just $10,000. The key number to watch is your net profit, not just revenue. Let's say a bakery sells $50,000 worth of cakes in a month. Sounds great, right? But after rent, salaries, ingredients, utilities, and marketing, their total expenses are $48,000. That leaves them with only $2,000 in profit. Now imagine if the rent goes up next month suddenly, they are in the red. So if sales aren't the full picture, how do you know if your business is actually making money? Here are the key numbers you need to track. First one is your gross profit margin. This tells you how much money you are keeping after direct costs. The next one is your net profit margin, the ultimate indicator of your profitability after all expenses. And the last key matrix that you need to track and know is your cash flow. Even a profitable business can go bankrupt without proper cash flow management. Let's do a quick exercise together, shall we? Take a moment to check your last month numbers. How much did you sell? Now subtract all your expenses, including salaries, rent, and even software subscriptions. What's left? That's your true profit. Now it's time for us to wrap up. Remember, sales are great, but profit is what keeps your business alive. And cash flow? That's what keeps your doors open. Focus on tracking your net profit and cash flow, not just revenue. And if you're unsure where your business stands, it's time to get serious about your numbers. Want to analyze your business profitability the right way? Don't worry, download our Business Profitability Toolkit. It's packed with simple tools to help you track your true financial health. Next time on the CFO Edge, we are talking about pricing. One of the biggest mistakes business owners make that directly impacts their profit. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with a fellow founder. Let's build smarter, stronger businesses together. See you in the next episode.